how to delete Telegram account from other devices. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can delete Telegram account from other devices. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch the Telegram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, once you're here, tap on the three-line icon at the top left, then tap on Settings. Here, scroll down a bit and then tap on Privacy and Security. Then, under Security, tap on Devices option. And under this page, you will be able to find all the devices where you have logged into your Telegram account. From there, choose the device that you want to delete. Tap on it. Then tap on Terminate Sessions. In order to confirm, again tap on Terminate. And with that, you have deleted Telegram account from this device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.